Well, he is charged with rape and kidnapping, and now he is on the run after failing to show up for his final day of trial in Washington County.
Authorities believe the man likely cut off his GPS monitor, and now his alleged victim is terrified about what might happen next. Babs Santos is live in the Washington County Courthouse tonight. And Babs, you spoke with her this evening. Tell us what she said.
Yeah, she is terrified, not just for herself, but for other women in the community. She wants everyone to know just what type of person this defendant is, calling him very dangerous.
It's really hard for me to trust people anymore. I'm emotionally traumatized just from the experience.
Nearly 2 years ago, Chandra McFarland was violently held hostage in her own Lake Elmo home, eventually hospitalized for 2 days and out of work for 2 months after Washington County authorities say her then boyfriend, David Powers, did the unthinkable.
I was strangled, sexually assaulted, held in my apartment for over 24 hours. He has a history of doing this to other women.
Last week, McFarland appeared at the Washington County Courthouse to testify against Powers, who is now on trial for rape, kidnapping, and domestic assault. But this week, just as a jury was asked to decide his guilt or innocence, Powers, facing up to 3 decades behind bars and out of custody on a $500,000 bail, is now nowhere to be found.
He didn't show up to court today. He cut off his ankle bracelet, and they still don't know where he is. There's concerns for my safety and the other witnesses that took part in the trial.
Authorities said at the time of his arrest, Powers, a Russian dual citizen, had 4 driver's licenses with different names.
There's concerns that he could potentially be a flight risk, leave the state.
Tonight, law enforcement has eyes on her home as they look for this defendant. Meanwhile, today in court, the jury got the case and began deliberating for a couple of hours. They will be back for more deliberations tomorrow. Live in Stillwater, Babs Santos, Fox 9.